Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Shawty Boo if you are new here, and this video, obviously you clicked because you read the title, is about cologne that went viral on TikTok. The cologne is called Latafa Mahir. I think that's how you pronounce it. Mahir Legacy, something of that sort. Anywho, so it comes with a gift bag, as you can see. Then it comes like this.
Oh, look at that little unicorn.
So they getting real fancy with it. So this is our first time smelling it. This is the bottle. Babe, gotta go close. This is what the bottle looks like inside the packaging.
And I'm the smeller.
No, you have to take the ribbon. Oh.
I'm the smeller.
So this is the bottle all the way around. It's so nice.
The moment I chew it.
All right, let it. Dad, you can. Every time he spray, he want to smell it right away. Let it air. Wait. Let me smell. Oh, it smells.
Yeah.
It's stuffy though.
Ooh, all right, let's give it a few seconds. You know, I gotta let it settle in, babe.
Yeah,
Wait.
smell good.
In the background.
Oh, that smells good. That smells good. That smells good. Okay. I like the bottle too, the detailing. It looks very, very expensive. That I'm going to tell you. It definitely, and it's heavy, right? It got weight to it. And I don't know how many ounces this is. Let me
heavy.
see.
It's heavy.
Oh, it says 3.4.
Big good.
It's big. Maybe the body of it is big, but inside it's probably like. But it is a very, very nice bottle.
Please.
Would you say it's something for men to add to their collection?
Yeah. Definitely.
He's already addicted to the Latafas, all of the Latafas cologne. He wants all of them. So when you are on TikTok and looking at the different reviews of people doing for the different colognes and perfumes, you kind of try to go off of people's reaction. And there's very few people that I watch who have been very honest, because when something didn't smell good, they were like, what is this shit in the bottle? So I trust them. And with that, I take the chance. And this one here has been going around, and I actually like that one better than the last one. I like this. This smells like something you would buy. Yeah, let me smell again. Yeah, that's, ooh. That smells like a date night, good night. That smells nice. That smells nice, man. I like that. You're not wearing that to work. He be low-key trying to wear the good things them to work.
She's funny.
But yes, so the link to this cologne will be in my description box. So you can go order it for your man, your father, your husband, your brother, your uncle.
Very affordable.
Very affordable as well. I don't even remember how much it was. I think it was under $50. It was under $50. And you can't go wrong, especially him, because he normally spends in the hundreds for his cologne. So that's actually a good deal. And it smells good. And it's very potent. And it's very, like, you could tell it's going to be long lasting on your skin when you spray it. It's strong, but it's not overbearing strong.
Yeah.
So,
Let me
yeah.
cover this.
And if you notice a kiss on my husband's hands, that's because my daughter, with her lipstick, kissing him all over. All right, guys. So the link will be in my description box, and remember, it's called Legacy Mahir. I believe that's how it's pronounced. Don't shame me if I'm wrong. That's what it's called, but be sure to go click the link and order. And thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Love you guys.